Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lover Man by Jimi Hendrix. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to E-flat standard, which is a half step lower than regular tuning. This distinct tuning is crucial for capturing the song's original feel and pitch. Next, consider using a Fender Stratocaster, as it was Jimi's iconic instrument, providing that signature sound. Finally, dial in a slightly overdriven amplifier tone with a touch of treble to get started. The core of Lover Man revolves around a powerful dominant 7th chord riff. You'll primarily be working with E7 and A7 shapes, moving them around the neck. Remember to incorporate Jimi's signature expressive techniques, such as wide vibrato and precise string bending, to give the notes life. Pay close attention to the song's shuffle groove. It's a fast, energetic rhythm that drives the entire piece forward, so feel that swing. For the solo sections, dive into the E minor pentatonic scale, adding those crucial blues notes to inject soul and character. Jimi frequently used hammer-ons and pull-offs to create smooth, flowing lines, so practice these techniques for seamless transitions. Don't shy away from the whammy bar. It's an essential tool for his dramatic pitch bends and dive bombs, adding a wild, unpredictable element to your improvisation. Feel free to experiment and make it your own. To truly master Lover Man, immerse yourself in the original recording. Listen closely to every detail, from Jimi's phrasing to his dynamic shifts. Consistent practice with a metronome is vital for developing the song's fast, tight rhythm and ensuring your timing is impeccable. Work on dynamic control, varying your picking attack to add depth and emotion to your playing. Most importantly, have fun and let your own musicality shine through this iconic track.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.